Olá! The topic of our class today is the verb to be. Remember we learned the verb to be before? Well, there are two ways to say the English verb to be in Spanish. Ser, that we learned before, and estar. Well, what's the difference? We use the verb estar to indicate location and say how people feel. Let's see the conjugation of the verb estar. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis. Only in Spain we are not going to use this form. Están. So if I'm talking about location or how people are feeling, I'm not going to use the verb ser. I need to use the verb estar. Pedro está en la cafetería. Since I'm talking about where Pedro is, location, I have to use the verb estar. I cannot use the verb ser. Okay? We use estar with the following words of location. These are prepositions of location. Al lado de, next to, cerca de, near, close, debajo de, under, delante de, in front of, dentro de, inside, detrás de, behind, encima de, on top of, lejos de, far from. Use the word de after the location word when a specific location is mentioned. When de is followed by the word el, we are going to combine the form and use the contraction del. For example, la biblioteca está, because it's location, al lado de la cafetería. In this case, I just use de la because cafetería is feminine. Okay, but look at this other example. La tiza está encima del borrador. Because I have the construction de plus el, in Spanish, we never use de plus el. Every time you see that, you're going to combine these two terms and you use del. Estar is also used with adjectives to say how someone feels at a given moment. El maestro está tranquilo. So it's some kind of temporary situation. Okay, the teacher is calm. How is the teacher at this moment? The teacher is calm. So, el maestro está tranquilo. I have to use the verb estar here because it's some kind of emotion or condition, momentary condition or emotion. Las chicas están cansadas. Okay, cansadas, the girls are tired. It's a temporary feeling or condition. So, I have to use the verb estar. Now that we know the uses for the verb estar, it's very important that you memorize this verb. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. Another way to memorize this verb is by listening to songs. So make sure you check the other links that I have in the website with songs with the verb estar. Gracias.